actually set on fire walking past this. It's a bit dangerous, that. Oh, you're doing tours?
Yeah.
It's alright, I don't need a tour, thank you.
We take a 40-minute panorama ride.
No, I don't need a tour. It's alright, I'm just taking some panoramic scenes in. No, I don't need... Oh, she's waving. It's the Indian tour bus. Lovely. Perfect. Right. Let's go down here and see them all. Hiya, you alright? Are you enjoying yourself? Are you locals?
He should know hello only.
Yeah, hello's fine, that's all I know.
I drive it now.
Yeah, oh, thank you. Look how nice it all looks. Oh, it's this guy again. Hiya, you remember me? Nice to see you. Nice to see you. This is an hard job for him, isn't it? Well, I couldn't resist coming back to Train Street, could I? Especially in daytime. You get a better feel for it, don't you? It's time for my final slice of train corn. Like a train yard. Oh, this is cool. I wonder if we'll get pulled away. Let's just be honest, this is just turning into a train channel, isn't it? Look at this, it's well fun. It's like a train track where you can go underneath and examine bits. Oh yeah, Vietnam Post. I don't even know how I'm going to get out of here, to be honest. I'm trapped now in between these two trains. I don't know why there's no one in it, like the workshop area. I wonder what's in this one. I don't understand why there's no one around. Ooh, hey.
2 times, 3 times.
Oh, someone's here. Don't seem to be bothered about me being in here. I think if I continue down there, it's just going to end up causing trouble, because that's where the station is, so I'd actually have to come out on a platform. Is it possible? Oh, we've arrived at the station. Feels like it's abandoned in here. There's actually no one there. Compared to India, this is crazy. Somebody's just collapsed. It's just mad. Oh, there's cameras here. I'm being filmed now. Oh, there's a bag of tomatoes here. They don't even look that bad. Oh no, second thoughts. Oh, somebody on the train. What are they doing? Hiya. Oh, they don't seem to be bothered. They're just trespassing around train station. Well, I've had a good time anyway. Maybe it's time to leave. Doing a bit of repair work. How am I supposed to get out at barrier? Just appeared at the other side, right, and there's a toilet as well. That's lovely. Just watching you move your birds, putting them in shade. That's nice, isn't it? Oh yeah, lovely. Right, thank you. I hope you enjoyed your tour of the little train yard. It definitely put a smile on my face. Not really much going on, but it were nice anyway, wasn't it? Right, that's all from me in Vietnam, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
4 minutes past 4, a bit of sunshine around, but there's a lot of cloud on the way tonight, and with it, breaks of rain and drizzle. Should be quite clear overnight. Temperatures down to an overnight low, about 3 degrees Celsius. At the moment, we've got 6 degrees in Ripponden. We've got 5.5 degrees in Tankersley right now.
Daryl Denham, 106 to 108. Real Radio.
Wow, time to go home.
Hello.
Hello. Having some sweet corn.